Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on bold text on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Accessibility. Within here, select the bold text option to enable it. You could also change the text size above this if you wanted. That's how to turn on bold text on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.